Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how to erase all the data of your iPhone device if you would like to erase. So how it is easy. If you would like to erase your iPhone data, you will have to download firstly this iTools for software. Download link I have given below the description box. Just you have to click there. It's a free, so just to download from there. And after downloading, you will have to install this software in your PC or laptop. Then after installing, you have to connect your simply your data cable from phone to PC or laptop, whatever device you are using. And after connecting, you will have to come, it will reflect here, so all the information you can get from here, no problem, device verification. And then you have to come on toolbox. In toolbox you have option 1, that erase phone, so simply you have to click here. Now here is a yellow sign that all the data will be cleared, please back up. So my dear, if you would like to back up before erasing the data, you should go for it. So I have already shown you that how you will go for backup of your iPhone data and how you will save of that backup data in your PC or laptop, in your hard disk, wherever of course you would like to save of that data. After backup, if you would like to erase your data from your iPhone device, simply you have to enter here erase. Here clearly messages that you have to erase to continue. So enter erase to continue. One thing here, let's see, jailbreak device may not get stuck on, jailbreak device may get stuck on both. Of course, if you are using jailbreak, then don't go for it. And second one, if find my phone is turned on, it's on your iPhone device, in your iPhone device, in the situation you will have to turn off find my phone. Otherwise, if you don't, then you will have to enter your Apple ID. Then after entering your Apple ID, then you will be able to erase your whole iPhone data. So guys, all the data will be cleared by just clicking here erase. Before erasing, you will have to enter, that's I have already mentioned to you. Here you have to write erase, and then now see guys, here it's highlighted. You have to click here. Automatically within of course 5 to 10 minutes, whole data will be erased from your phones and your phone will be totally empty. So this is way how you will go for erase all the data from your iPhone device. Easy way and most reliable this. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive, that's how you will go for erase iPhone data safely. So thank you guys, have a great time. And of course I would like to request that if this video has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.